Hello students, welcome to Abhyas IIT Prep. Let's do the today's paper analysis. Physics sectional analysis. If you observe that from the paper to paper, if you observe the questions from wave optics and electromagnetics are increasing usually like highly. If you see here wave optics and electromagnetism, here we have 7 questions and here we have 6 questions. And if you observe the modern physics, here nuclear physics have the 3 questions only, and mechanics and mechanics 2, mechanics 1 and mechanics 2, if you observe the 3 and 2 questions, which means the concentration is going towards the second year syllabus. If you see the syllabus also, here we have the 64% use increment were there in the second year syllabus in the sectional analysis of physics. And if you see the first year syllabus, there was a little bit reduced in the first year syllabus. And the difficulty questions has come from the topics of friction, earth satellite, and internal energy, so reflection from a curved surfaces, and RMS current, and de Broglie wavelength. So from these topics the difficulty questions has come. But mostly if we observe that huge difference were there in the syllabus from the second year syllabus in the electromagnetism and waves and optics, wave oscillations, optics, ray optics, and wave optics. If you observe that 4 topics, we are getting the huge number of questions in the 24th morning shift paper. This is the physics sectional analysis. Now coming to the overall paper, how the paper is there once you check. If we see, the paper will be moderate, and the second year weightage from the waves and optics were very huge increase were there, and mixed level of questions has come from this paper. So the final overall paper we can consider as it is a moderate paper. This is about the physics, and let's get into the chemistry analysis. Now here if we observe that in this paper there was a huge increment in the organic chemistry and inorganic chemistry, organic first year syllabus and inorganic second year syllabus. So slowly paper by paper, if you observing that increasing there in the organic and inorganic, the questions which are coming from physical are little bit less we are getting. Now if you observe the difficulty questions which we are getting from chemical properties and colors in coordination compounds and potassium permanganate. And the first year syllabus and second year syllabus, if you see here we have the 52% from in the first year syllabus and 48% in the second year syllabus of this paper. Now let's see the overall analysis of this paper. From the chemistry, if you see what happened, the paper is moderate, and first year weightage on the first year organic chemistry is increased, and second year inorganic chemistry has increased, and physical chemistry has decreased if you observe that, and overall paper is difficulty level has increased. So if we observe the paper to paper analysis, physical questions, the questions coming from the physical are reducing, and organic and inorganic questions are slowly increasing. Now let's coming into the mathematical part of analysis, mathematical sectional analysis. Let's see how it is going on. Now here in the algebra part 6 questions were there, and moderate only remaining are trigonometry and algebra. We have the 5 questions. Now these are the difficult type of questions we found out. Functions, trigonometry, 2D lines. So the red color was there, the topics which were there in the red color has the difficulty topics. And you see the first year and syllabus second year, we have the 40% here, and here we have the 60% here in the second year syllabus. Now see the observations. We have observed that moderate paper with some lengthy solutions were there in this paper. Moderate paper with some lengthy solutions were there, and questions of integration were more than the expected. So in this paper integration were there, and conic sections were difficult than the previous paper. Conic sections are difficult, and some multi-concept questions also observed in the paper. So paper will be like a moderate to difficult. So multi-conceptual questions also they are giving. The questions in the mathematical actually getting lengthy questions. If we see all the papers, we can say that the lengthy questions we are getting. And now see the band score for this paper, easy, medium, difficulty. If you observe that 39 were there in the moderate, like medium type of questions were there. And if you see the percentile, if the student get 209, they will get the 99 plus above percentile, and 168 they will get the 95 plus above percentile. If the students get 130, then the 90 above percentile they will get. So for this paper the good score is 209 for this paper. So if the student is getting 209 and above marks, then the student will get the 99 above percentile. This is the analysis of this paper, and I will come with the another paper. Thank you.